Hello, today I will be cleaning the outer part of a scanner, Kodak i4650 scanner. I've been able to run maintenance on the scanner, and then today I'll show you how to clean the outer part of the scanner. So for the outer part of the scanner, I am using a scoring powder. I mix it with a little detergent, and I'll be using a rag and a damp rag or a moist rag to be able to clean the scanner. You need to be very careful not to use a coarse scoring powder so that it won't scratch off the surface of your scanner, and also make sure you do not use water or excess water on it so that water will not get into the electrical part of the scanner and damage the scanner. Each part of the scanner is very expensive. You have to be very careful when you're working with a scanner like this. And you can check my other videos, like and subscribe. I have a lot of videos detailing how I was able to service and maintain different parts of the scanner, both the CIS, the scanner glass, the image glass, the pickup rollers, the separation rollers, and all different parts of this scanner. I've finished the maintenance on it, and right now I'm cleaning up the outer part of it so that it looks neat before I send it back to the customers. So you remember that when you work in cleaning this particular scanner, you do not use a corrosive liquid. That is why I'm just using a scoring powder and little or no water at all, and detergent. You have to be very careful not to allow water to get into the electrical part of this scanner. Do not use excess water. Use a damp cloth or a wet cloth, a moist cloth. That would do. Apply some little detergent, and if possible, you can get your hands on scoring powder. Mix it up with scoring powder, but the scoring powder you're going to mix it up with has to be very, very smooth so that it don't scratch off the surface of your scanner. So I'm going to clean each and every part of the scanner carefully, and when I'm through, the scanner will look neater than it was before. I'm going to clean the top of it and the side. Cleaning the back, I have to get to all parts of this scanner.